Are we done playing? Are we done? Have we played enough? Lillian, is the ball flat? Have you killed it? Lillian. Yep, we're done. Are you tired now? Huh? What do you think, Trinket? Trinket. Trinky-dink. Trinky-dink. Yeah, you're never done. Yeah, I like your hoodie. That's cute. Okay. You're ready to play stuff. Yeah, I think the ball's done. No, Lily still wants to play. Klutz. Maybe not. Maybe she just wants to hold it. Okay, say bye. Lillian. Say bye. Not gonna say bye. Okay.